It's Aubrey Bear! Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be opening up this big box of Dinosaur Easter Eggs. Let's open it up. Wow, there's 4 green eggs, 4 red eggs, and 4 orange eggs. First, let's open the red one. Whoa, look, it's a green and red dinosaur. You gotta open him up. Look, it's a red and green T-Rex. And it almost looks like he's wearing a red t-shirt. He's so cool. Let's see what's inside the orange egg. Let's open it. Whoa. Ooh, it's another dinosaur that's yellow and purple. That's cool too. He's a stegosaurus. He's yellow and purple. Look at all the spikes he has. He has spikes on his back and spikes on his head right here, and spikes on his tail, and even spikes on the end of his tail. Let's open a green one now. Whoa, another dinosaur that's orange and blue, dark blue. That's so cool. He's a triceratops. He's called that because tri means 3, and he has 3 horns on his head. 1, 2, 3. I opened all 12 of my dinosaur eggs. I now have 12 dinosaurs. My favorite thing is look at these T-Rexes. They're the opposite colors. One has a green head and one has a red head. Thank you for watching me open up these dinosaur Easter eggs. They're so cool. Subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the like button.